Today, we're taking a look at the Redtiger F77 dual 4K dash cam. Here's a quick peek at its crystal clear daytime footage and its impressive nighttime performance. Let's see what's inside the box, how to set it up, and what it can do on the road. Inside of the box, we've got the front 4K dash cam, the rear 4K dash cam, a long cable for connecting the two, a power cable, a quick start guide, and a few mounting accessories. Right away, you'll notice the 4-inch touchscreen display, the clear, modern design, and the fact that it comes with built-in 128 gigabytes of eMMC storage. That means no micro SD card is required. Installing the F77 is quick and simple. First, mount the front camera to your windshield using the included adhesive mount. Then place the rear camera in your back window. Run the cable neatly along the edges of the interior. Finally, plug in the power cable and you're ready to go. If you want parking mode, you can use an optional hardware kit for constant power. Here's a look at the daytime footage. You can clearly see license plates, street signs, and road markings. The front and rear both record in 4K with HDR, which helps keep bright areas and shadows perfectly balanced. Even at higher speeds, details stay super sharp. The F77 supports voice commands, so you can say things like lock video to protect a clip, or take photo to snap a still image while you drive. You can use the touchscreen to quickly review videos, switch between front and rear views, or adjust settings on the fly. It's intuitive, fast, and keeps you focused on the road. At night, the F77 really stands out. The HDR mode captures street signs, headlights, and even license plates with excellent clarity. It reduces glare from bright lights while still keeping dark areas visible. Whether you're on a city street or a dark highway, you'll get reliable video evidence. If you hardware the dash cam, you can enable parking mode. It automatically records motion if detected, or if the built-in G sensor feels an impact. This can help capture a hit and run or vandalism even while you're away from your car. The Redtiger F77 offers crystal clear 4K footage, smart voice control, and built-in storage, all in a sleek, easy to install package. Check it out on Amazon today.